Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here.
Happy holidays!
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a holiday glam eyeshadow look for you guys. So as you can see, I already have my base on, my foundation, my eyebrows, and everything. I'm actually going to be doing more of an in-depth tutorial. Like, I'm going to zoom you guys in on my eye and like go step by step with a voiceover on how to do this eyeshadow that I'm going to be doing for you guys today. I feel like I don't see that many in-depth eye tutorials anymore. Nothing wrong with that. It's just like I miss them personally, and I feel like a lot of people out there could use in-depth tutorials like this. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. Alright, you guys, so today I decided to use the Sultry palette by Anastasia. I'm going to begin by just taking a Morphe translucent eyeshadow base on my eye. And then I decided I want it to be really sharp on the edges, so I put tape there today just to give a guide. I start by taking the shade Dystopian in my outer corner, and I just start by tapping on the eyeshadow. I find that if you tap to start, it really gives a good base for pigment. This Anastasia palette is very pigmented anyway as it is, so I didn't have to do much. Then I just kind of start to blend. As you can see, it's just a repeating pattern of tap, tap, blend, tap, tap, blend, just to build up the pigment, however you guys would prefer it. I start dragging it to my inner corner, as you can see, leaving it a little lighter towards my inner corner because we are going to cut the crease with concealer a little bit later. And then it's just really blend, blend, blend. Honestly, I probably blended this eye look, just this one color, for probably about 5 minutes, maybe more, just trying to get that perfect blend. Alright, next I'm taking the shade Twig on a flatter but still blending brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to start blending out the darker shade up towards my eyebrow. This part's up to you, but I didn't go completely up to my eyebrow because I am going to be putting highlight there a little bit later. But as you can see, just blend it out to what you like. And now I'm taking concealer, and this is really all preference. I didn't use a large amount of concealer. I just wanted to give a little bit of a fresh base for the shade Steampunk that I'm going to be putting there. So you just kind of just cut it. I go a little bit above my natural crease in my eye, just so you can still see it even when my eye is open. And it just kind of overall, in my opinion, looks better to cut your crease a little bit higher than your natural crease. And then you just kind of fill it out and blend it a little bit to the outer corner so it just all blends naturally. Now here I am taking the shade Steampunk, and I'm just going to put that on a flat packing brush and just put that on and just kind of cover everywhere I put the concealer. And I will go a little bit farther out to my outer corner just to blend it a little bit more, like it fades into the outer corner, into the shade Dystopian. Alright, and ooh, some peeling satisfaction. That's what I was going for, was a sharp line. I don't know why, but I just wanted that in today's look. And then I kind of went out of camera with it, but I just brushed off the baking powder I had on underneath my eyes. And next, I'm just going to be taking some Tarte Maneater eyeliner in black. I like to start by drawing the outer line from my outer corner up, however long you think you're going to want the wing, and then I actually follow from the tip of that in to create the wing, and then I just go about filling that in and lining my waterline. This is really all preference, but it's just how thick you want it. I did end up actually making this wing a little bit thicker later on, as you'll see in the final clip, but here's just me showing you. And then I do like putting eyeshadow under my eye, so I just take Dystopian and put a little bit of that under my eye, blending it to connect with that eyeshadow from the top eye. Alright, and next I'm just putting some NYX black liner on my inner waterline. I actually started using a brush for this, and I don't know why, but if you take a tiny brush and just put the eyeliner on it, it is so much easier. It doesn't make my eye water or bug my eye as much as if I did use the pencil. And then just add some mascara. And then I like fake lashes, but if you don't, obviously this is the last step here. I was gonna try to put my fake lashes on camera, but as you can see, that just does not happen because it's impossible to keep it in frame and put lashes on. So here they are. I'm just adjusting them a little bit, but yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I am going to add some Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel from the Elsa collection in my inner corner. I have been obsessed with putting this in my corner. I like it right now more than putting just regular highlighter in the inner corner, but as you can see, I still put regular highlighter up by my eyebrow. But I just like how it looks. I just take a little bit with the end of a brush. And here is the final look zoomed in up close for you guys. I hope this kind of helped you guys a little bit. I feel like it seemed a little rushed, but yeah, this is the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final eye look. I'm just gonna add some Morphe liquid lipstick in shade Bloodshot really quick to finish off the look. Alright you guys, this is the final look.
Happy holidays.
I am super proud of how this turned out. I'm actually like so in love. I've been really into, instead of putting the traditional highlighter in the inner corner, I've been obsessed with putting Colourpop's Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel actually in the corner of my eye. This one is from the Elsa collection and it's called the Dark Sea. I already showed you a close-up, but I'm seriously like in love with this in the inner corner. It's just perfect, and I just definitely too like highly recommend Colourpop and Morphe, Anastasia. Their palettes, like their eyeshadows, as you can see, blend so well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video also, and if it helps you out. I'm gonna link my Instagram and Twitters down below. If you guys actually do try to recreate this look, please tag me. I would love to see it. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'm super excited. It's gonna be really fun too, especially if you're into Jeffree Star, and that's the only hint you're getting. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!